Hello guys, so again guys, today we have a new product from AB World. Again, we have the GODOX TL30 RGB LED lights. RGB na LED. RGB lights guys. RGB TL, yan, tube light. Again, the GODOX TL30 RGB tube light. So ito siya guys, we have two boxes here guys. First, the single box, which is the TL30 and the TL30-k2. Yan. So again guys, let's check the lights, unbox the lights, and we'll see the quality of these lights. So again guys, but before anything else, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so at least you'll be updated for all the videos that we will upload regarding photography gears, videography gears, and my personal sneakers. So again guys, let's start unbox this TL30-k2. Let's check guys. First, samba. I think we go first for the TL30, the single piece guys. So yan. Actually guys, same application that you're gonna use from the GODOX. We have the previous GODOX, I remember the two. Ito siya guys, and ito siya, the two GODOX. CL10 and the other one, SR something, forgot the name. So yan, I put in the link guys. Again, similar application that you're gonna use guys. So yan. So first, ito ang TL30, we will unbox. And yan, charan! Wow, it's a leather bag siya guys. Parang soft leather type. Yan, meron siyang magnetic. So if you want to magnet guys. And the 3M. Yan, and the main lights. And of course, your USB to USB-C connection. So, ang dami ko ng USB-C guys. Lahat na halos, most of the charger that we have is USB-C to USB. So, yan. And your, maganda yung bag niya guys. It's okay. At nahulog pa yung silicone. Of course, very important. Again guys, this is the TL30. This is the dual piece guys, or the K2. So, unbox natin. Yan. And you have also your, wow, it's a soft bag. Ben, yan. Not hard case, but soft case. Soft case bag. Again guys, before we continue to unbox this one, or open this soft box, or this soft box tawag ito. Soft bag. Yun.
Fusion bag.
Ha? Fusion ba tawag ito? There is a lot of tawag sa ganito. Fusion bag, soft bag. Yan, di ba? So, ayan guys, the CRI is 96. TLCI is 97. This is bicolor CCT with HSI, FX or the FX. Yan. And the built-in lithium battery. Yan, naka-indicate dito sa box. What inside of this soft bag guys is you have here your two light body, or the two light, which is the TL30 anti-slip sling, and the waterproof pocket. Whoa, may waterproof pocket siya guys. And portable bag. This is the portable bag. So, napakasimple tao na portable bag, di ba? Oh, yan. Ito siya guys. Siyempre, kung gusto nyong mag-trip, basa ng manual, you have the manual here guys. Of course, your two lights. Ayan. Ito nga, ito pala yun. Ayos oh, di ba? So, this is the light, two lights. You have your two clip, USB-C, and this side guys is your another location for your accessories. So, this is the underwater. Tama ba? Waterproof, not underwater. Waterproof case, waterproof bag. Yan. You have two waterproof bag. Siyempre, yan. Anim-anim. Okay. Yan. This is what inside of this bag guys. So, yan. Ito yung grid natin. So, yan. You have your two grid. Two pieces of the waterproof. And your anti-sling. Yung 3M or the iron sheet and the pairs of Velcro 6.6. And yeah, yung ilaw natin, the lights, of course. You have your two lights. 1, 2, 2 clip, 2 charger, and this one light connector. So yan guys. And again guys, so let's check these two lights. So let's test the quality of this light guys. We'll check in dun sa medyo madilim in outside. So tara. And again guys, so let's try to connect to the application which is the GODOX light. Yan, let's open the application. First, you need to open your Bluetooth to make sure. Then I have already here my setup. Then you can add the lights guys. Before we have two lights already here, which is the CL10 and the ES45 kit. Now we will add again these two lights. When you are open your Bluetooth, it's showing here guys TL30 FA something. So just check these two lights and confirm, and you're good to go guys. So you're connected. Let's check for a few seconds or minutes. Yeah, it's reconnecting. It's connecting and it's connecting. So yeah, done. Confirm, and the light is already here guys. So yeah, you have your two lights. You can off and off and off. See, this is the two light guys. So turn on the one light, it's one, and the other light. So yeah, or you can set a group or something. You can change from daylight to tungsten. Yeah, let's similar with the other one guys. Let's go for ayan, and daylight to tungsten. So let's check with the blue. Yan. Yan lang. Okay na. Then, let's check with the RGB. RGB or HSI. So, yan. Let's go with the HSI, guys. So, yeah. See, you can change the color from HSI with this light. Yan. Let's go with the blue. And the other light, let's set also in the blue. So, device list. Yan. RGB. Also with the red. So we have the teal and orange. We get the teal and orange. We will try the teal and orange guys. Yeah, parang orange ba? Tama ba dyan? Not sure. It's already red. Dito banda. Yeah. So this is the our RGB. Or we can set both of this in paano ba? Device list. We can set into effects. So yeah, we have the effects, so we will try the fire effects. Yeah, and the other one similar with the other one. So device, let's check with the fire. So both in the fire effects and fire truck. Yeah, fire effects. So yeah, meron tayong fire effects. Candle, you can use candle effects, or we can use cop car. I think there's a cop car. Police car. Yan, police car. So the speed, the density, yan, police car. So let's check the other one guys. Yan, police car. And yeah, so we have effects with the police car, diba? Ganyan mo. Yan, so this is our light guys. So, ayan guys, if you want to check the quality of the light, you can visit us to Symphony showroom and we will show you the quality of the lights. Again guys, and that's it for today guys. So again, our product for today is the GODOX TL30. So we have two boxes here, the single box and the TL30-k2, which is dual, or you have two sets or one set with two pieces inside. Again guys, the price of this TL30, the kit is around 79,950. So I'll show you the conversion from US dollar and pesos Pinas. And also the single one is around 29,950. So again guys, we check already the quality of the light. It's good light guys. So ayan, if I rate this guys, I think the material that they use and the clip is very stylish. Diba? So ayan, I think it's a very good light guys, very good RGB lights. So ayan, yung dial niya rito, it's, of course it's USB-C. So ayan guys, I think that's it for today. Again, I'll show you already the sample video of this light. So ayan, flex time. First, I want to flex, or again guys, sorry, if you want to order or if you want to check the light, you can visit us here in AAB World Symphony showroom. So we have some demo unit, guys. If you want to check the light, the quality of the light, so or if you want to test the light, you can visit us here in Symphony showroom AAB World, or you can go also visit our Igayla and Shamia branch. So ayan, guys. Again, if you want to order online, you can visit our website www.aabworld.com. So ayan, all the GODOX, guys, all the GODOX lights that we have here in AAB World, you can check to our website. All the prices, all the models of the GODOX RGB or any LED lights or COB lights we have already in our website. And again, guys, so if you are in the GCC country, if you want to order online, you can check or visit our website, guys. Just check, guys, to our website. If you are in the GCC area country, you can order online. So yan, visit nyo na lang, guys. So yan, I think that's it for today. Again, flex time. First, I want to flex my team, which is Team Positive Vlogger. Shout out to all the admin and members ng Team Positive. At syempre, ang team natin dito sa Kuwait, ang TBK, kay Palaboy FW, nasa likod ng ating camera. Shoutout natin yan. Yan. Oh, sino nasa likod mo ba? Para yan, at saka si Ate Sam nasa likod, di ba? So yan, shoutout kay Palaboy FW. Check nyo yung channel niya, guys. Busy, hindi siya makakain ngayon. Hindi makakain, hindi makatulog. Ayan. At si Brian Puntanar again, guys. Check nyo si Brian Puntanar, channel ni Brian Puntanar. Mangingisda na kami next week, taglamig na eh. Sure na yan. So yan, maraming salamat. Thank you at mabuhay.